We are now at the time of year where final exams are just a few weeks away. We thought it would be helpful to cover a few tips on how to prepare yourself for final exams. Stay tuned for more info. Before we jump into it, make sure to like, follow, and comment if you enjoyed this content. And make sure to check out our other TenneyTube video here where we cover how to maximize what you get from tutoring. One phrase likely to fill students and parents with butterflies and stress is final exams. Part of the stress is due to the uncommon nature of finals. Final exams are longer than typical exams, they cover much more content, and they represent a significant portion of a student's grade for the semester. In combination, these factors can lead to a great deal of stress for students and families preparing for finals. Today, we're going to share a few tips on how to prepare for final exams. Follow these tips and you will turn exam stress into confidence. Tip number 1 is to complete the semester review sheet. The most efficient way to study for final exams is to complete 100% of your semester review sheet. If your teacher has prepared a review sheet, it is a guarantee that the material on the final exam will come from the review sheet. Knowing everything on the review sheet guarantees that you'll be ready for the final exam. If your teacher has not provided a review sheet, you may need to prepare one for yourself. You can do this by copying representative questions from your section exams or section homework reviews. While not the guarantee of completing a teacher review sheet, it should allow you to help organize your study time and content into appropriate chunks of material. Tip number 2 is to take frequent breaks. Another important tip for final exams, start early and take frequent breaks. As opposed to waiting to cram for final exams, you will find it more effective to study in shorter bursts of time with breaks in between your study sessions. Shorter bursts of studying will both shorten your overall study time and allow you to more completely retain what you have learned. For those interested in this type of study method or looking for more specifics on how to set up your study time, you can look into setting yourself up with a study schedule according to the Pomodoro technique. Study groups is another thing that you should consider when preparing for finals. You need to make a specific choice on whether study groups are right, and it could vary subject to subject. If you believe a study group could help, make sure to arrange one early with peers you believe will help you remember and retain material. Study groups comes with a caution though, which is why we believe that you should make an intentional choice about them. Many hours have been wasted by students in study groups either too advanced, too remedial, or too social to be effective. You may be better off forgoing study groups altogether for your own benefit. Finally, final exam prep may be the right time to engage a high-quality tutor. If you have struggled with a course content all semester and still don't quite understand what you need to know, having a tutor to help you may be the most efficient and effective choice for you to prepare for finals. Collect content ahead of time for your tutor to allow the most efficient and complete use of your time together. Coupling tutoring with a semester review sheet will allow you to cover all the material you need to know for your final exams. For those of you not sure where to start, quality tutors are available for middle and high school subjects on TenneyTutors.com. We hope that you have found this content helpful in discussion on how you can get prepped for final exams. With a little forethought and preparation, you can forego the stress and head into final exams prepared and confident. As always, be sure to hit that like and subscribe and click the bell icon to be reminded whenever we post a new video. Be sure to check out all the links in the description if you're curious about the power of one and what we do for our students. See you on the next one.